Hey, welcome back for another Jigsaw puzzle time lapse. I love puzzles and I love donuts. So I know I'm gonna love this donut puzzle from Buffalo. Look, it's even smiling at me. This is a hand-me-down puzzle, so I won't be doing an unboxing, but I will be doing a first impressions. Then we'll do a time lapse, and after that, I'll give you my thoughts on the puzzle making experience. I put all those in chapters below, so feel free to skip ahead. But if you're still with me, let's get this guy open. All right, so let's see what's inside the box. So this puzzle is a hand-me-down. It's been done before, so this box should already be open. All right, you can see where the cardboard glue was. And we have a map. Always enjoy when I have a little tiny picture. That's easier to keep next to me as opposed to the box. And we've got really cool, brightly colored pieces. These are excited, happy donuts, my friends. I see some good variability in the types of pieces. This one's got 4 outs, and this one has 1 out and 3 ins. But all the pieces are kind of around the same size. So I've done Buffalo puzzles before. They generally tend to have these cardboard backs, and we always have to do the slip on the mat test. Let's see how that works out. Slips good. I like this puzzle mat. If you want to try it too, I linked to it below in my description. All right, let's get to the time lapse. Let me warm up and talk to myself. Hey, welcome back from that time lapse. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I sure enjoyed watching all these donuts. I don't always lay out all my pieces when I start a puzzle, but on this one I did, and it meant that I was free to hop around and finish, different donuts all at the same time. It was pretty fun. Kudos to Buffalo. I had no false fits. Basically, when I got a piece, I knew it was the right piece, and this puzzle was just a joy to do. I'm about to start on my next one, so I'll see you guys there.